Hi everyone, this tutorial is on how to quickly switch between open windows on your computer. This process is shown on Windows 11. However, it works the same on Windows 10. When you are working on your computer, you may have opened up multiple open windows and you are switching between those windows using your mouse. However, today you are going to learn a quick keyboard shortcut that will save you time and effort. When you have multiple opened windows on your keyboard, press the Windows key and Tab key. Then use the arrow keys to go to your desired window and hit Enter. That is the quickest way to switch between open windows without touching your mouse. If you like this video, hit like, give us your comments, and share it with others. Another very important question for you. Are you interested in the training to help you take good control of your emails, tasks, and projects and effectively use your computer, smartphone, and mobile devices? Turner Time has a training program for you. Go to our website, turnertimemanagement.com, and schedule a complimentary consultation meeting with Turner Time. You can also send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 855-778-8463. And we look forward to being of service